Today we're featuring a 2017 Honda Fit LX. It's a certified Honda. Alright, it's got 12,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner, and it's mystic yellow in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down here to the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape there. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear park assist. I'm sorry, excuse me. It has rear backup camera. Okay, rear backup camera. Everything looks good across the rear of the vehicle. Down through the passenger sides, well taken care of. Alright, everything looks really good on the exterior of this Fit. Alright, it is a certified Fit. Give you a little extra coverage, a little extra warranty coverage. Black on black door panels. Nice metallic trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it does have black cloth seats. Alright, cloth's in good shape. Alright, it does have your Econ button here. Alright, and also has 2 keyless entry key fobs. Alright, passenger seat looks good. No problems there at all. It is an automatic. Okay, it's got your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary plug-in down there. Climate control area here. It's got your AM, FM, CD player there with the backup camera. Alright, it's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 12,980 miles on it. Go ahead and show you your display screen here for the AM, FM radio. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panel looks good. Back seat cloth's in great shape. No problem there. Carpet back here looks good too. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, that looks good. Take a look back here. Alright, carpet back here is good. I'll step to the side. You can see you get a pretty decent amount of room there. And if you need more, you just simply push these seats down. Okay, got a couple of latches here you just push up. Alright, and those come down. You can see it opens it up considerably back there. Alright, and it's really easy to get those seats back up. It's not hard at all. They're really light, but also durable. Simply pull them back like that. And on the other side here, simply just pull them back up so they lock in there. Let's see what size wheels. We've got 15-inch steel wheels. Alright, got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, we got a 2017 Honda Fit LX. It's a certified Honda. Alright, it's got 12,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax One-Owner. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.